Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sell digital products on Squarespace. Squarespace is one of the most popular website builders, and I will be showing you step by step how to start selling on it. The first thing you will need to do is create an account. To create an account on Squarespace, all you need is your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. After you have signed up, you're going to tap on Get Started. After selecting Get Started, you will be redirected to the template page. On the template page, you can scroll down and you'll be able to look at all the templates, or you can select a particular category. So let's say, for example, we want to create a one-page website for selling our digital product. So we can select one page. Then from here, you can scroll down and you can see the template that they recommend. And we'll be using this template for example. So we're going to be tapping on the template. Then we'll tap on Start with this design. After selecting Start with this design, you can see that our website is being set up in the background. Here you see site title, and you can type in your website name. Then you're going to tap on Close. After you have tapped on Close, at the moment this is how our website looks, as you can see right here. Now we are going to be doing some editing. So to edit it, all you'll need to do is tap on Edit in the top left hand corner. After tapping on Edit, you will now be able to change each section. So let's say, for example, you would like to change the background image. You can simply hover over the image with your mouse cursor. Then you're going to tap on Edit section from the right hand menu option. Then you can tap on Background. After tapping on Background, you can see the current image, and we're going to tap on Replace. Then we're going to be selecting an image from the stock footage, but you could upload your own image if you want. So let's say, for example, I want to create a book. So I can type in book right there, and I'm going to be using this option as my background image. So I'll select that, then tap on Add Image, because with this example, I will be selling ebooks. After you're finished doing this, you can also add a video if you want. If you didn't want to add an image, you can scroll down and you can change the text section. So you can simply hover over the text, then you can tap on it, then select the pencil to edit the text section. And you can scroll down and you can do the same concept with each section. Or if it is a case that you would like to delete a particular section, you can hover over it, then select Remove, then tap on Remove once more, and it will remove that section, as you can see right here. And if you'd like to add elements to a section that you don't see an element, for example text or so on, all you'll need to do is hover over the section, then tap on Add Block, and from here you can add text, image, videos, buttons, anything at all that you would like to add. You can find it in this section. And we can also edit the button by simply hovering over the button. You could tap on the button, then from there you could tap on the pencil that says Edit. You could tap on Design and you could make design changes if you want. So for example, if you would like to tap right where you see from here you can change the button style. As you can see right there, you have different options you can choose from. Now, how to add your digital product. First, you're going to tap on Save in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Exit. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Selling. So we're going to select Selling right here. After selecting Selling, you're going to tap on Products. Once you have selected Products, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can tap on Digital Products. And from here, you can see the different options. So you can choose whether you like to create a course, a video on demand, or a membership site, as you can see there. We're going to tap on Add Product in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on add product, you can see the different options as I was saying earlier, and we'll be using the PDF form because we'll be selling an ebook. So I'm going to tap on download. After you have tapped on download, you'll give it a few seconds. As you can see, it is being created. Then from here, you can add your product name. So I'll simply type in ebook. Then from here, you could add your description, as you can see right there. Then by scrolling down, you can add additional information if you want. By tapping there, you can see you can type out additional information. We won't be doing that. Then from here, I could add my ebook cover. So I could tap on add image. Then from there, I could tap on upload file. And I'm just going to be using a random thumbnail image as the ebook cover. But if you would like to create a stunning ebook cover, if you are just getting started, a good platform to use would be Canva. You can see that our ebook cover has been added. Now we would scroll down, and right where you see upload file, you would tap right there. From there, you would upload your ebook. So for example, I will be uploading one of these PDFs that I had created earlier. Then after doing that, you can see that it has been added, and you'll now be able to set your price. So I'll be selling it at $9.99. Then you can also decide whether you would like to put it on sale. After you have done that, you can select whether you would like to add categories and tags. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can see the different selling tools. So for example, you can add additional products. If you would like to add featured products and so on, you can do all of that, as you can see here. And you can see how the SEO looks, as you can see there. And you can scroll down and you can set up the custom button by tapping on custom button. You can enable that if you want by toggling it on. Then you can tap on apply. And now we'll simply tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once back on this page, you're going to tap on website from the top left hand corner. After tapping on website, right where you see store, you're going to tap right there. After selecting store, you're going to see the product that you have created, and you're going to simply tap on the product. So you want to add it to your store, as you can see right here. And then from there, you can see different styles that you can use. We'll be using the simple style. So we'll be using that option, and you can see it right there, how it looks. So you have the add to cart button and so on. If it is a case that you would like to edit it further, you could tap on the three dots. Then you could tap on edit, as you can see right there. After you're finished doing this, all you'll need to do now, you can see that now that you have added your product, finish setting up your store, you can tap on keep going. And from there, you can scroll down. You can set up the different payment methods that you would like to accept by tapping on payments right here. After doing that, you'll be able to connect Stripe, as you can see right there, PayPal, and also Square. So you can see that you have numerous payment options that you'll be able to connect and offer your customers. Another thing that you can also do, if we were to tap on keep going, you can see right there that we'll now be able to publish it for it to go live. So you could tap on publish right there. After you have tapped on publish, keep in mind that to start selling and accepting payments on Squarespace, you will need to go onto their paid plan. Talking about paid plan, let's check out the pricing for this. So we're going to go onto their pricing page, and you can see that it starts off at $16 per month, and their most popular plan is for $23 per month. Once you are finished and you have chosen a paid plan, you'll now be able to start selling your digital products on Squarespace. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.